Welcome back to our day 76, overcoming fear of being seen. So in our 90-day cash sprint of confidence to cash, I really want to talk to you about this today, my friends. Today, we're talking about something that stops more people than anything else, the fear of being seen. If you've ever hesitated to post, record a video, or put a story out there, this one's for you, my friends. The fear of being seen is one of the biggest barriers in digital business, and it's completely normal. Maybe you're afraid of judgment, afraid of doing it wrong, afraid of someone you know will see your content, or afraid of you might be looking silly. But here's the truth. No one succeeds silently. Visibility creates opportunity, and your story is someone else's breakthrough. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with courage. They connect with honesty and real humans showing up imperfectly. The enemy loves to use fear to keep you quiet because he knows your voice carries impact. And when you show up, even scared, you give others permission to show up too. So today, I want you to take back your voice. Here's your confidence exercise for day 76. Number 1, record a 20 to 30 second video where you introduce yourself and your mission, just your name, why you started, and who you want to help. Number 2, do not re-record it 10 times. One shot, one take, done. Number 3, post it, even if your voice shakes, even if you feel awkward, even if you want to go hide. Visibility is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Friend, hear me. You were created with purpose. You were designed to shine. Your story, your journey, your voice, it matters. God already equipped you. You have to step up, step out of that hiding long enough for others to find you. So here's your challenge today. Film that 20-second video. Here's who I am and why I'm here. Intro video and post it. God already equipped you. You just have to step out of hiding long enough for others to find you. Then comment, I posted it, so that we can cheer you on. And make sure to grab today's worksheet. It's going to help you identify the root of your visibility fears. Replace them with confidence and clarity. I will see you tomorrow for day 77. A powerful mindset shift will change how you create content forever. You've got this, my friend. Keep going.